Hello everyone, my name is Professor Sanford. I just wanted to take a moment to tell you a little bit more about our synchronous classes and how it's going to work. So if you're going to try and do it on your device, it could be a little tricky because we're going to try and be engaging as much as possible, and being able to manage Zoom and everything on your phone is going to be pretty tricky. So if you have a computer, my current students are saying that even like tablets or pads are kind of hard to manipulate. It doesn't mean you can't, but I just want to take this moment to share with you things that we're going to be doing, or one of the things in particular. So um, there's these Desmos applications, Desmos classroom activities, and essentially like I'm going to be navigating it on the teacher side, and I'll be able to see everybody's results, and I'll show you that in a second. But you're basically going to be watching Zoom and then doing this activity. So sometimes we may ask silly questions like, which Nick Cage are you today? So then you just drag the orange dot, orange point to indicate you're Nick Cage. So maybe you're focused, maybe you're angry, but what you'll be able to do is see where everybody in the class has also put their orange point. And then sometimes we'll have like reminders, and then we can check in with you, and being able to fill these out means that we can go back and look at yours. So the thing that we were talking about in my 16-week class is and we were in Mod 9, probabilities and binomial distribution. We wanted to play a game where you and your friend play a game in which when whoever wins the game wins the taco. So we just asked some questions like, yes, I love tacos, and then you state your favorite type, and then here's the rules of the game. And so we're leaving time, we're going to leave time for you to put in your answer, and then, you know, sometimes there's explain your thinking. So you really want to make sure that you're in a state to like focus. You're not going to be at work or driving. Now we understand that that can happen, but the idea of this class time is to utilize it well. So then, you know, we're going to play this game, you reveal the results, you see that player A won, and we're not really going to go into all this in detail now, but just to show you, like, there's a lot of interaction going on. This one you actually record yourself, so 3, and then oops, that's a 6, and then who won. It's going to be player B, and so you just keep going in this nature. So let me go ahead and share with you the other page that you would see, like that I would see, you wouldn't see it. And so, like with this example, I did anonymize everybody, so like during class, I won't know who you are associated to, but then there's your just like mathematicians, John Urschel, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but you'll see that there's oops, examples of mathematicians here, so that during class I won't know where you're at, but afterwards I can unanonymize it. And then I can just see people's responses here, and then more responses, right? You know, when we were on this page in class, there was some no's, but then I talked about it some more, and then we all got on the same page. So again, here's some more examples of students' work. So I really want you participating while you're in class. We do throw in breaks, right? In this class, I did ask, are you finding the Desmos Classroom's activities, Desmos Classroom activities beneficial for navigating the course modules? They're saying yes. It's hard to move between the screens. A little confusing because we haven't really gone over they haven't gone over the module. It helps in tandem with Zoom lecture. I would struggle alone. Yeah, the Desmos activities were confusing for this person, but so sometimes they're just confusing, but they usually are helpful just this one could have been confusing. This person was attending my other colleague's class and my class, so they found that attending both times helped. So just some examples of like that this is what I'm doing now in my other class, and that for the most part there's some positive reactions to it. So with all that said, I just wanted to give you that chance to know what you're getting into in those synchronous settings, and that when you sign up, when you get into that class, make sure that you have your paper, some of the notes you took, ready to type, whatever that be, so that you can get the most out of the class. All right, later.